Hey guys, in this video I'm going to peel off the screen protector on the brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now this year I have just unboxed the phone. There is no transparent film protector at the back. There is just this paper protector that sits on top like that, and when you remove it, it also removes this protector. There is no protector at the back this year. At the front here, there is a black kind of like paper and plastic cover. We can peel it out for the first time. Now you can see I'm peeling it off, and once I peel off this piece of cover, this film cover, then the whole screen is naked. It is not covered by anything. In the previous year there is a very thin layer of a film protector, but this year there is nothing. You don't get any film protector at all. This is just a bare glass. So I would suggest if you are getting your Galaxy S22 or S22 Plus or Ultra, you would want to immediately get a screen protector. Otherwise, if it is damaged, then it can be very costly to replace your screen. And that's it. That is everything the glass has to offer. Once you take off the screen protector, it is bare. You don't get any protections with your screen. You need to buy a screen protector. It does not come with any sort of screen protector this year. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.